Hey guys, it's Vidhi and welcome back to my channel. So as you read by the title, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my post makeup pamper routine. So basically I just got done filming a video. It was not a video, actually it was just the intro and outro of a video in which I share the benefits of coriander. It's already up on my channel. I'll link that in the description box, or it would be here somewhere. Make sure to go and watch it if you haven't watched it already. So basically I make a face scrub and face mask for myself at home with all the natural ingredients, and I use it after applying makeup, after removing makeup whenever I use makeup, and it works best for my skin. So I thought that I will share that with you guys also. So if you are interested, keep on watching. The first step is changing into something comfy, and this is the PJ set that I'm wearing. And the second step is, of course, removing makeup. I'm using the Garnier Micellar water for removing my makeup. Step 3 is washing your face. The next step is face scrub, and this face scrub is made up of sugar, almonds and cucumber juice. Step 5 is face mask. Let it be on your face for 20 minutes. And the last step is moisturizing your skin. So yeah, that was it for my post makeup pamper routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Also, the method of making the face mask and face scrub is on my Instagram reels. I'll link both the videos in the description box, and if you want to know how I make it, you should go and check that out. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.